Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Weebly site. Whether you're making major changes or just want a safety net, having a backup ensures your hard work is protected. Let's walk through two methods you can use. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where all your sites are managed. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see the name of your website displayed right beside the Setup Guide option. Click on your website name to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Duplicate Site. This creates an exact copy of your entire website, which acts as a perfect backup. Once you've clicked it, Weebly will process the duplication. Now navigate to the left side menu where you can select the name of your website, which appears just above the Overview section. Here you'll see the duplicate version of your website that was just created to keep things organized. Go ahead and rename this duplicate so you can easily identify it as your backup. Simply click on the site name and type in something descriptive like backup followed by the date. And there you have it, a complete duplicate of your site safely stored in your Weebly account. Now, if you want a local backup that you can store on your computer, there's another method. Open the site editor page for your website. On the top menu, click on Settings to access your site's configuration options. Make sure you're on the General Settings tab in the left side menu, as this is where the archive feature lives. Scroll down through the general settings until you find the archive option. Here's something important to note. If your website is published, you'll be able to download the archive of your website. If it's not currently published, you'll need to publish it first before the download option becomes available. Once your site is published, click on the download button to get a local backup file. This archive will be saved directly to your computer, giving you a physical copy of your website that you can store safely offline. With both methods complete, you now have 2 layers of protection for your Weebly site, an online duplicate within your Weebly account, and a local archive on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.